Love is not something you earn, it's something you are. We are so conditioned to believe that love has to be proven, achieved, or deserved. That before we can be loved fully, we have to fix ourselves, become better, or erase our flaws. But love, real love, doesn't wait for perfection. It simply flows where it's invited, and it blooms where it's nurtured. You are worthy of love because you are willing to love. That's all it takes. Not because you have accomplished something, not because you look a certain way, not because you have never made mistakes, but because your heart is open, because you are brave enough to care. We often treat love like a math equation, as though we have to balance our flaws and our strengths, tally our value, and hope someone else's numbers align with ours. But love is not logical, it's not measurable, it's not predictable, it's mysterious, it's cosmic. Sometimes you meet someone and the connection feels electric, alive, sacred, and then sometimes it doesn't last. That doesn't mean you weren't enough, that doesn't mean you failed. Sometimes love enters our lives to awaken us, to show us what's possible, to open a part of us that's been sleeping. And when the door closes, even when you beg for it to stay open, maybe it's not rejection, maybe it's protection. Maybe you are being guided towards something or someone that matches who you are still becoming. Because love is not always linear, it doesn't flow a straight path. Sometimes you meet the right person at the wrong time. Sometimes your heart knows before your mind does. Sometimes love asks you to trust what you cannot yet see, the unfolding, the becoming, the preparing. You are not unworthy because the love didn't last. You are not broken because something ended. You are simply evolving, being shaped into the person who can sustain a deeper, truer love. Every heartbreak teaches you how to hold love more gently. Every ending reminds you that love is not about possession, it's about presence. And every moment that love flows through you, even if it's not written in the way you hoped, you are still expanding your capacity to love and be loved. You are worthy of love not because of what you have, but because of who you are. Because you feel, because you try, because you hope. And sometimes that's the most secret things of all, to believe in love even after it's hurt you, to trust that love will find you again in ways that make more sense than anything that's come before. So today, soften your heart. Let love in all its forms find you where you are. You don't have to chase it. You only have to be open to it. Because what it meant for you will never need to be forced. And when it arrives, you will understand why every other door had to close first. Here your challenge of the day. Write a short love letter to yourself, one that reminds you of everything beautiful, kind, and courageous about you, who you are. Read it out loud, like your words soften your heart. Say aloud, I am worthy of love, simply because I am willing to.